Most AI agents are good at thinking through the work. Claude can write the plan. Claude Code can build the page. OpenClaw and Hermes can run agent workflows. But when the task becomes visual, there is usually a gap. You can ask the agent to write a video idea. You can ask it for a prompt. You can ask it to describe the creative. But then you still have to open another tool, paste the prompt, generate the asset, download the file, move it back into your project, and keep repeating that process. That is the problem Higgsfield MCP is solving. Higgsfield MCP connects Higgsfield's media generation directly into agents like Claude, Claude Code, OpenClaw, and Hermes. So now the agent is not just talking about creative work. It can actually generate and ship the media inside the same workflow. In this video, I'll show you how this works from setup to output. We'll connect Higgsfield MCP, use Claude as the working environment, and generate a real UGC-style product ad from a simple product brief. The goal is simple. One agent, one prompt, one pipeline from idea to finished creative. First, let's connect Higgsfield MCP. Inside Claude, I'll open Settings. Then I'll go to Connectors. From here, I'll click the plus button to add a new connector. For the name, I'll use Higgsfield. For the URL, I'll paste the Higgsfield MCP endpoint. The important thing here is that Higgsfield MCP is not a normal website tab where I manually generate assets. It is a connector. It gives the agent access to Higgsfield's creative tools from inside the conversation. So after this is connected, I can stay in Claude and ask it to generate images, video ads, UGC concepts, product creatives, or campaign assets without constantly switching tools. This is also why the workflow is useful for Claude Code, OpenClaw, and Hermes. If an agent is already helping you build, plan, or automate a campaign, Higgsfield MCP gives it a visual production layer. Claude gives the reasoning. Higgsfield gives the media engine. Now let's make this practical. I'm going to use a simple product example, a casual women's flip-flop sandal. The product angle is everyday comfort, summer errands, lightweight wear, and a more put-together alternative to basic flat flip-flops. I'll give Claude the product context first. I can say, create a 30-second UGC-style ad for a women's summer flip-flop. The ad should feel like a real customer, showing the product on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Focus on lightweight feel, easy everyday wear, casual summer outfits, walking shots, and a simple honest recommendation. Avoid medical claims, pain relief claims, or overhyping the product. This is the part where Claude is doing the planning. Before generating anything, I want it to structure the ad. I want a hook, a scene flow, a voiceover, caption ideas, and a clear visual direction. So I'll ask Claude to turn the product brief into a Higgsfield-ready creative plan. This gives me the first important benefit. The agent is not just throwing a random prompt at a video model. It is thinking through the ad first. Now we have a generated UGC-style product ad from the same chat, where we created the strategy and prompt. This is the key workflow. Now I will use Virality Predictor, which uses real brain activity analysis to tell if a video is engaging enough or not. Now we got the results, you can see the virality potential. How likely this content spreads across TikTok/Reels. Hook strength, first 3 seconds engagement, attention curve, whether viewers stay through to the end, audience response, emotional engagement and shareability, retention risk, dropout points, creative performance, production quality, authenticity, pacing. Normally, I would have to write the idea in Claude, copy it into a separate AI video generator, wait for the result, download it, and move it back into my project. Here, the generation is part of the agent workflow. That is why MCP matters. It turns Claude, OpenClaw, or Hermes from a planning agent into a creative production agent. The first output does not have to be final. This is where the workflow becomes even more useful. This is how I would actually work with it. Generate one version, review it, tighten the hook, change the pacing, add more product close-ups, make the CTA softer, try a different creator style, then generate another variation. For a product ad, I would probably test 3 versions. That is useful for vibe marketing because you are not trying to make one perfect ad immediately. You are making a batch of creative options and learning which angle feels strongest. The important thing is that Higgsfield MCP is not only for one UGC ad. The same setup can work for a full content pipeline. For example, Claude can research a product, pull out customer objections, write ad hooks, generate UGC scripts, create video ads through Higgsfield MCP, and then organize the outputs for review. A founder could use it to build launch creatives. A creator could use it for a faceless channel. A marketer could use it to test product ads faster. An agency could use it to generate first-round concepts before sending polished versions to a client. And if you are using Claude Code, OpenClaw, or Hermes, this becomes even more interesting because the agent can work inside a larger project. It can build the landing page, write the campaign copy, generate the visuals, and place the assets into the right folder. So the value is not just AI video generator. The value is agentic AI content creation inside the tools where the work is already happening. So that is the Higgsfield MCP workflow. First, connect it inside Claude using the connector setup. Then give Claude the product, campaign, or content goal. Next, let Claude plan the creative. Hook, structure, captions, visuals, and angle. Then use Higgsfield MCP to generate the media directly from the chat. After that, review the result, ask for improvements, and generate more variations. This is what makes the workflow useful. Claude can think through the campaign. Higgsfield MCP can generate the creative, and tools like OpenClaw or Hermes can help turn that into a repeatable agent workflow. For this example, we used a simple UGC product ad, but the same process can apply to AI video ads, faceless channel content, product creatives, landing page assets, and full campaign workflows. One prompt starts the pipeline. The agent plans it. Higgsfield generates it. And you stay focused on reviewing, improving, and shipping.